Hello friends, today I am going to show you how I make this highly efficient, durable, smokeless smart stove that you can also build cheaply by yourself at home. I will show you how to make this stove by step from beginning to end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First you need a 12-volt cooling fan for this project. This cooling fan is more bigger than the fan that I used in my previous stove. You also need a foam piece that matches the dimensions of the cooling fan. Then you need 2 buckets and one of them want to be smaller than other. We use these buckets as the mold of the stove. Before pouring cement, we must apply some oil to bucket surfaces. This prevents the cement from sticking to buckets when it hardens. Small amount of metal, sand and cement is applied to mortar mix that I make. A small amount of metal will give the stove some extra strength. I use about 2 kilograms of cement to make this mortar mix. I started pouring cement by filling up the bottom layer of the bucket. After finishing the bottom layer, I placed the small bucket carefully and I placed the foam piece like this to replace the fan later. Then I filled the rest of the area by cement carefully. After 2 or 3 days, the cement will be hardened. Then you can separate both buckets from cement. Remove the foam piece from the stove to replace the fan. Then all dried, I soldered a 12-volt DC jack to the fan. Then I placed a clay pot with holes in it. This stove is highly efficient, durable and smokeless. You can also make this at home very cheaply. share and subscribe to my channel. Then I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.